Finally, the days of spending huge amount of money buying forex trading bot that will end up blowing your account is finally over. We now have one of the best 100% free forex trading bot with high potential of making over 50% to 100% of our deposit every month without a single martingale, at the same time with a tiny stop loss on every open position. I can proudly tell you, the bot is so great to the point that even though your stop loss hit, bro, within a short period of time, it recovered everything back without a single martingale, without grade at all. So let me check out my result to know how much I've made, for the past few weeks with the bot. At the same time, stay with me till the end. I'll also walk you through how to gain access to the bot right now. If you check this account here, this is my live account, and if you check my balance, you notice I have over $12,112 on this account. Let's see how much I deposited. I deposited $6,000 on this account, and if you check my date of deposit, I deposited on 1st of this month, 1st June of this month. So today is 22. This is complete 22 trading days, and these are all the closed position by the board. Ekan Trade Trust Board. These are all the closed position on the account for complete 3 weeks now. For complete 3 weeks, let's see this. These are all the closed position profit. We have loss. These are some of the positions that hit our stop loss. Here, it recover. It hit our stop loss here. Recover here, hit our stop loss, right? Profit again, right? Hit our stop loss, profit again. Hit our stop loss, recover, right? Hit our stop loss again 2 times in a row. Boom. Recover back. Here again, I withdraw this $100 this morning just to pay some bill. And just this morning, we wake up to this open position this morning. So far today, it only opened one position, over $700. Just this morning, immediately I wake up, I did not even expect that the bot is going to open position today. It opens and drops over $700. And if you check my trade history here, right, you notice the pending order the bot is using. It uses pending order, and all the position it open here, it comes with stop loss, perfect stop loss, and it also uses trailing stop. And the most interesting part is that immediately trade go on your direction, the bot start to trade. And imagine achieving this. If you look at the trade history here, bro, there is no single martingale. No single. I started using 0.05, then before I increased to 0.50, then reduced it back to 0.20. Imagine having what it takes to make over 50 to 100% of your account with a perfect stop loss without martingale. Man, it's a dream come true. So let's quickly move to our MT5 right now to run a live backtest to see how the bot has been performing, how it open positions, at the same time how it puts stop loss, and how it put take profit, how it apply the trailing stop. More important, how it's able to trade with stop loss, at the same time recover our drawdown without a single martingale. Let's quickly install the bot. In this way I have the bot, Ekan Trade Trust Bot, MT5. All right, so what I'm going to do, this is how to install the bot. If you are new to this, maybe you don't know how to install MT5 bot, we copy the bot, come over to file here, we install the bot on MQ5, right? Expert, we put it on advisor, let's paste it here, boom. Okay, then this is how simple it is to install the bot. Then we're going to do this, refresh, boom, we now have the bot here, Ekan Trade Trust Bot. Yeah, the bot is available on MT5 and MT4. So right now, what we're going to do is to run a live back test to see how the bot has been performing since January this year. At the same time, how much you could have made if you were to run the bot since January to today, right? So all we're going to do right now is to come over to the option view and input our strategy tester. This what would enable us to see how the bot has been performing, yeah. So what we do is we add the bot here, expert, Ekan Trade Trust Bot. We use 1 hour time frame, only gold, right? So let's start the back test from January this year, January 1st, right, till date. Good. Please take note, the minimum balance to use the bot is $100 on a cent account, right, or $500 on a real dollar account. So if you want to be using your real dollar account to trade with the bot, you need minimum of $500. But if you want to use $100, you need cent account. At the same time, you are still making the same profit. Let's start from $100 to see what $100 people make from beginning of this year. $100 would appear as 10,000 cents. So we now have 1,000, 1,000, 10,000 cents here, right? Then what we're going to do is to load the bot set file. We have the bot set file here. If you acquire the bot, you will have all this thing. We have low risk, we have high risk. So let's start from the high risk. Yeah, Okay, so let's start from the high risk. Everything is in place. The only thing we are required to do is, you can see this ekantrade.com trust board. The only thing we are required to do is to put our lot size. Currently on a $100 account, which appear as 10,000, we are using 0.1 lot. We are using 0.1, you know. So all right, everything is in place, and let's allow our virtual to see how the bot going to open trade, open and close in real life, man. So let's see this. Let me lower this first. Okay, I think the bot have already opened position already. This is let me see. Okay, I think our first position closed out on loss. Take note of this. If you check this, our first open position of the year, bro, hit about 200, which is about $2, $4 loss here. You know, so let's see how this drawdown will be recovered. Let's see how the bot open position, and let's see how this bot will be recovered with that Martingale. This is our volume, our lot size. You can see this 0.01, 0.01, 0.01, 0.01, no Martingale here. So let's see how this would recover. So let's see, let's wait for the next section. I think, okay. Let's wait for the next section. We really need to see how, okay. You just open the position. Let's see this, okay. This one really don't have, I think is beginning to recover, but you see I've not recovered everything yet. Just these are the profit is currently making. Okay, all right, let's see. Okay, I think let's see if you have recovered. Boom, that's how simple it is. You have recovered all the drawdown back with that Martingale. You have recovered all the, you see this, you see how it's catching heavy moves. Let's see how it applied trailing stop. Let's look for high volatile section, where we're going to see how it's applying the trailing stop is on high volatile sections. All right, it's on high volatile sections. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Let's see how this is going. Okay. Let's see. All right. Okay. Here we have drawdown of 900. I think this might definitely hit our stop loss. If you check this, you notice this is sell opportunity, and this is our stop loss here. I think this is where it put the stop loss. We are currently on drawdown. This is 16 January. We are currently on drawdown. You know, yeah, we are currently on drawdown. We started from the I think you have hit our stop loss. You see this? You have hit the stop loss, and then some, you see, holding some other positions. So let's see. Wow. You see what is happening? You see how it's applying the trailing stop here? You see how it's applying those trailing stop, and in just a single section. In just a single section, it recovered everything back with that Martingale. Check this. Let's check this history of the trade. Let's start from the beginning. You see this? This was our first open position of the year. Boom, boom, loss, 0.01 lot. Okay, 0.01 here, loss again here. It hit stop loss, just small profit. This has section that there was no high volatility in the market. So let's see this. It hit our stop loss again. All the three position. See, hit our stop loss again with the same lot size, 0.01. Right? Okay, I think hit our take profit. Boom! You see this? Anytime it catch heavy moves, boom, it recover everything back. Still with the same lot size, no Martingale. No Martingale, and hit again, take profit, hit take profit. Okay, I think this one here hit our trailing stop. Boom, hit stop loss here again. All right, boom, 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 hit our stop loss, and we are out. Hit our stop loss again, we are out. Boom, boom. I think this particular one here hit our trailing stop. You know, hit stop loss again, and then let's see what happened. Hit stop loss again, hit stop loss again, and boom, boom, boom. Anytime it catch heavy moves, this is what it does. All with the help of trailing stop. Boom, 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 boom. This is how the bot is trading in real life, bro. This is how the bot is trading in real life, and it recover everything back. It's still the same, right? Still the same lot size. So let's allow you to keep going. I'm looking for where to see how. Okay, good. You see how the bot immediately it triggers like this. You see this point here. let's zoom this place out so we can see this. Immediately it triggered like this. You can see we have shifted our stop loss to this point. Immediately it triggers. You see what happens? You have shifted our stop loss to this point. So what this means is that even though this market comes back to this point, there's no way we can go back to drawdown again. And the more the opportunity keep going on our direction, the more it keeps shifting the trailing stop, enabling us to recover our drawdown without a single martingale. Man, this is one of the best boards we ever programmed. Let's see this. Let's see. Okay, let's allow it to keep going. Let's see how it's going to close out this position. Okay, boom, boom. You see what it's doing here? You see what it's doing? You know, it have now opened other positions. See this, it's currently switching on $1,286 profit, and our balance from 10,000 is currently on 300. Okay, you see what happens here? You have locked all these positions. You have locked this one. You have locked all these positions. You have locked all these positions. You have locked all these positions. Right now, you know, there's no way we can go back to loss again here. And the more the market keep going on our direction, the more it keep trailing. It keep trailing. At the same time, recover our drawdown back. So let's allow the system to run. So this is what I wanted to show you, how the board is applying the trailing stop. Let's see how it's going to close this position. Let's see how it will close all of them out. I think you have already closed some. So I'm okay. Boom. You have closed out some, and then you can see how it's shifting our stop loss. It's trailing, and here's the stop loss, the final stop loss. Here, sorry, this is the final. Is it take profit? Is it shifting? Is it shifting? The more the market pump on our direction, the more profit we make. You know, is it shifting? Let's see how he's doing this. You know, let's see how he's doing. Just from opportunity can boom. See this? Just you have closed out everything. This is how it's trailing the opportunity. Just from opportunity, how much profit we make, how much profit we make. You see what is happening? And then anytime we lose, you see what happens? Anytime we lose, our loss is extremely low. Compare, you can see our losses. You can see the losses, right? When hitting our stop loss, you can see the losses. And then let's see when we are winning. Look at this. This, how it happens. This is one of the best boards I can probably tell you. Let's allow it to learn. Let's allow it to run to see what's going to be the result at the end of the day. Let's allow it to run. Currently, we are at 16, which is about, this is January 26. We are currently on about 100%. 100%. This is January 30. Okay, we are on 90%. We are entering February 100% in 1 month. 100%. So this is February 14. We are at 20, about 108%. Yeah, 108%. Let's say this January. This is why we proudly tell you the system is mentally, to enable us to achieve from 70, 80, 100% of our deposit monthly. So this is February 18. We are currently at 130%. 130% in about just a month and some weeks. This is February 25. This is June, which is this month. Let's see how much in total. Okay. June 19. Boom. Boom. So this is how the boss successfully, let's see how much you make in total. This is how the boss successfully and free, without our effort at all, take profit. Okay, loss, hit our stop loss, boom, boom. You can see how, the loss amount, it hits stop loss here again, hit stop loss, right? Win. You can see when it win, the level of consistency. You can see the level of consistency anytime you trigger those position. You can see this, the level of consistency, and anytime you hit our stop loss, you can do the calculation. So you can do the calculation. Let's see this. Let's see our chart. This is our chart in approximately 6 months of trading. This is our chart These are some of the, these are when it hit our stop loss. These are the time it hit our stop loss. Just up, 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 without a single martingale. Bro, I'm so happy about the system. And let's see the result. Currently, our drawdown, just 28% drawdown, right? And it opens a total of 1,168 open positions. You know, yeah. Equity drawdown relative about 28%. Balance drawdown relative 20%. Perfect, perfect, perfect. You know, and we live with over 380, which is approximately 400%. Bro, 400%. Imagine you have $1 million here. This is times 4. Let's say you join with $1 million, bro. In less than 6 months, you're already sitting on additional, $4 million, bro. This is what it means. The best part is that the bot is 100% free, man. So to get access to the bot, it's very simple. All you need to do, check the video description. You will see a link that will take you to our Telegram bot. When you open the link, you see Ekan Trade Assistant bot. All you need to do, you can just read everything here. Tap on start. The bot is going to send you a link to join our Telegram channel. And to get access to the bot, you are required to open an account with our recommended broker. Is highly regulated broker. Minimum deposit is $100, and then after you open your account, kindly read everything here. You see this option here. Use the menu below. Tap on read full bot documents to download and read the complete details of our bot. Please make sure you do this. Click on the option here. Tap on this option, full bot documents, right? So here is the PDF of the bot. Everything is 100% explained, so take your time to read everything about the bot. Read everything. After you're done, you open your account with our recommended broker. Then just come over to this option, right? This is where we are. My customer care is here. I'm also active here as well. Please note, this is a live woman support, not automated bot. All you need to do after you are done depositing on your trading account, tap on start, right? You don't even need to do anything. Just send us your login details, right? Just send us your login details, okay? Right? Here is my login details. Then whatever, right? You send us your login details. Within a few minutes, we will respond to you and get your account connected immediately, bro. We do not ask you to pay us. And then if you want to maybe acquire the bot file by yourself, we have included everything here on the PDF. If you want to get the bot file, let's say you have a community and you want to maybe use the bot for your own community, to help your community to make money as well, you just take your time to read everything. We include the price, and if you want to use your own broker, we also include everything on the PDF. So please kindly make sure you study the PDF, understand everything before taking any action. So please, I will be more than happy to see you winning big in the Forex market this month, and it's going to be a pity for you to see this at the end go back to losing money. And the most interesting part of this is that there's no high risk involved, because every open position, bro, is open with a perfect stop loss. In a worst scenario, it's our stop loss that hit. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. I'm hoping to see you on my next video.